In this video, we're going to be going over a loft, which is commonly used to make three-dimensional shapes. A loft is a 3D shape that is created by two or more 2D sketches on different planes. To visualize this concept for you guys, we're going to be using virtual reality. So you can see here that a loft begins with two or more planes that are offset from one another. So in this example, in orange, you can see the two different planes. From there, a sketch is then created on each plane. In this example here, the top plane has a square and the bottom plane has a circle. So to create the 3D shape, the two sketches are then connected. In green, you can see the rails that connect the 2D sketches. Rails are what are used to guide the connection between the two shapes to then create that 3D form. From these rails, you can see the 3D solid that is then created. Next, we're going to add a third plane to demonstrate that a loft can be made up of more than just two sketches. So this top plane here, it has a square that is a little bit larger than the one below. And then when these rails are used to connect, you can see that curved shape that happens at the top. And this now creates a completely different form with another plane. So from here, you can see that this loft comes to life in a matter of just 3 modifications. First, by hollowing out that shape, then by smoothing the edges, and finally, just changing the materials. We have created a flower vase using a simple 3-plane loft. But this is just the beginning of loft capabilities. Lofts can be created using center lines. They can be created using specific guide rails. They can be used to remove material from solids, and so much more. If you're interested in going more in depth, there will be links to different resources on the page below.